We are a little bit on the humid side at lunchtime, but temperatures are tolerable across the Brazos Valley if you can get past the overcast skies. Not too bad out there. It's about 77 degrees right now in Bryan College Station. That was a live eye look at Madisonville, where you sit at 77 as well. A couple of spots have seen sunshine for a little bit longer, and in fact, still kind of are right now in the low 80s, anywhere from Montgomery to Walker County, but most of us hang out in the low 80s for a good chunk of the day today. There's more cloud cover filling in from south to north if you are in that portion of Grimes, Walker, Montgomery County that happen to be fortunate enough to see some sun today. Severe weather likely across portions of Kansas into southern Nebraska, Iowa, and even parts of Missouri as well. So that's the place to watch over the next several hours. Meanwhile, here in the Lone Star State, things look relatively quiet for today. There's your pinpoint forecast, and don't take a whole lot of this. I take it with a grain of salt as far as our rain chances go over the next several hours. While there see a lot of green on their forecast maps, I don't know that we'll see a whole lot of green on the radar later today. If we do, and I think we can copy and paste this over the next couple of days, a couple hundredths of an inch to maybe a tenth of an inch if you get an isolated downpour will be a possibility, but definitely not guaranteed. So we'll call it a 10, 20, then 30% chance of rain through Thursday. Better chance coming up, though, still on Friday. Some models have us with about 2 inches, others not quite as much, but I do think that is our best chance at finding widespread rainfall across the Brazos Valley. Here's a quick look at the pinpoint forecast for temperatures. Watch what happens as we go into our Wednesday. Assuming we get a good south wind and a little bit of sunshine, we'll get awfully close to 90 degrees. And if we get there, it'll be the first one of 2018. Right now, forecasting a little bit lower than that, 85 to about 89 across the Brazos Valley. Probably the warmest day of the week before we see a little bit more cloud cover return into our Thursday. Still waiting on that better chance of rain going into our Friday and possibly carrying on into our Saturday.